Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix audio problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the issue with your audio on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I'll show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on search, then type your services. Click on the services. In this, click on the any one of the service, then press W key on your keyboard. After that, you will find your Windows Audio. Double click on that. You have to make sure startup type should be automatic, and this service should be start. Click on apply, then click OK, and restart the service. Then click on yes. After that, you will find Windows Endpoint Builder. Double click on that. Make sure service should be as automatic. Click on start. Click on apply. Click OK, and restart the service for this also. After doing this, just close this window, type here again, then click on Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager. Here you will find sound, video, and game controllers. Double click on that. Here you have to select your audio driver. Right click on that. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search for automatically drivers. You have to make sure you are connected to the internet and click on this option. As you can see, my driver is already updated, so there is no update for my driver. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then you can try the last method is you just need to click on search, then click on setting, click on Windows Update, click on Windows Update again, and you need to update your Windows. After updating your Windows, all your pending drivers will be updated. That's it guys, so this way you can fix audio problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.